Your attention, please. Please do not smoke in the terminal building. Smoking is only permitted in the specified smoking areas. Thank you.
Attention passengers, this is Lisa from Airline Passenger Services. Just a friendly reminder that the time is now 10:30 a.m. and we're currently at gate 15 for all flights departing in the next hour. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to ask.
Let's go, Bob. We're going to miss our flight if we don't hurry up. Let's go, Bob.
Wait,
Hurry up.
I know, but I can find my passport anywhere.
Bob, why do you have snorkel but no passport?
Sorry, okay. I thought we might need it for our flight. You know, for emergency water runs.
What are you doing in the middle of the walkway? Can you please move out of the way? There are people here who are busy.
So are we. Can you be considerate also? And please don't shout at us. My husband here forgot to bring his passport.
Oh, is that so? That's not my problem. You should still prepare for the flight. Such careless folk.
What if I punch you in your face, huh?
Go on, do it!
What an arrogant young man!
Do it! So the both of us will end up traveling to Paris.
Sorry for the inconvenience.
Such a dumb couple. Traveling without preparing for the flight. They even left this passport at home.
What did you order us? Madam, huh? What's your problem? You wanna fight? You wanna fight?
He's the one who should be kicked out. That's us.
Is that true, sir? That you called them stupid?
No, he's just making up stories. Probably because he forgot his passport. That's why he was
A liar.
Oh my God, such a scenario. Talk to them.
Can you please settle this Adabis? Some people wanted their luggage back. Be matured and settle this in the right way. Please excuse us.
Yeah, there are suddenly causing problems here. Can you please assist them or we might call the security for them?
Such a troublemaker. I can't believe we're watching this without leaving this country.
We beg your pardon. We want to settle this in another way. I am ready to apologize to the arrogant boss.
Ma'am, sir, I want you to follow me for further customer service in order to avoid
Preview. Your attention, please. Please do not smoke in the terminal building. Smoking is only permitted in the specified smoking areas. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I will say. Jane, I told you. My passport is in my bag. I just can't find it earlier.
But seriously, Bob, why are socks the only thing you're ever to find?
Well, if you need some extra luck, we need to break.